Hi everyone, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to fix the too many requests error in Outlook or Hotmail in just a few simple steps. So let's dive in. This error usually occurs when Microsoft temporarily blocks access due to too many login attempts or actions in a short period. First, wait for 15 to 30 minutes. The block often clears on its own. Next, open your browser settings, go to Privacy and Security, and clear your cache and cookies. You can also try using a different browser, or switch to another device to see if that helps. If you're using a VPN, turn it off. Outlook might detect it as suspicious activity. Still not working? Try logging in directly at outlook.live.com or use the Outlook mobile app. For more serious issues, visit the Microsoft support page and run their diagnostics tool. And that's it. This error is annoying, but it's usually temporary. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.